BP Pharma Group Pharmaceutical Projects. Following the steps of the ancient Egyptians who invented many medications for various diseases. BP Pharma Group slogan, working for the good of humanity, focused to make available high ethical pharmaceutical products in favor of patients with different pathological conditions, especially CNS products, in addition to other medical specialties. BP Pharma Group has marketing and managerial experiences with constant care to adhere to professional and pharmaceutical codes of ethics that extends over 55 years with giant global multinational companies, such as the American Dow Company and the Swiss F. Hoffmann La Roche Company. BP Pharma Group is privileged to have high credibility worldwide, with multiple partnerships with European pharmaceutical companies in the field of importing pharmaceuticals and currently a promising future in the field of pharmaceutical manufacturing. Recently, BP Pharma Group has acquired a manufacturing facility with a production space capacity of around 22,000 square meters that was established by the German company Paul and Hartmann in the 6th of October City, Egypt.
Nowadays, Presidency Sisi is setting the strategies and directions for emphasizing, supporting the concept of industry localization, converting Egypt from consumption concept relying on importation to be production country, encouraging exportation, reducing the burden of foreign currency needs.
تشمل اهتماماً بتوطين الصناعة وتقليل الفجوة الاستيرادية والتوسع في تحقيق الاكتفاء الذاتي من الغذاء بجانب التحول لجذب الاستثمارات الأجنبية.
BP Pharma has named this factory to be Maple Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Facility as one of the affiliate companies of BP Pharma Group. Egyptian Drug Authority EDA has approved the production lines of Maple Pharmaceutical Industries with the latest pharmaceutical engineering designs in this field to meet not to only supply the local market needs in Egypt, but also to have market penetration in other global markets, achieving profitable financial ROI for BP Pharma Group. Local pharmaceutical industry in Egypt. Despite the current difficult economic conditions in Egypt and the remarkable shortage of foreign currency in the Central Bank of Egypt, which had a very negative impact in the importation business, the local pharmaceutical production represents currently the more wise and practical decision, ensuring the solid sustainability and availability of any pharmaceutical products. It goes without saying that the load of consumption of foreign currency for importing pharmaceuticals is much higher and more costly to the state budget than the cost of importing just the pharmaceutical raw materials needed for local manufacturing. For this reason, BP Pharma Group, in regards of the local manufacturing, has already started to manufacture through contract manufacturing and already launched its own first CNS product, which is one of the first part portfolio covering 45 products. BP Pharma Group is very happy and honored through God's support. And their professional marketing team to occupy the market leader rank certified by IMS, the neutral international statistic reference for its CNS products, Lidemethyl ODT, Donepezil. The aforementioned market leader position of Lidemethyl was achieved within just only 3 years from the introduction of the product to the market, surpassing Pfizer, the well-known giant multinational company, which is the original innovator of the Donepezil molecule, under the trade name Aricept, which has been available in the Egyptian market for more than 25 years ago. This sounding achievement is a practical translation for the basic strategy and policy of BP Pharma Group, which is not only selling in large quantities, but market leadership and excellence. BP Pharma Group also added another CNS product, Zalmigo, Zolmitriptan, for migraine headache in May 2023, which represents the second CNS product out of 45 products, as the first group in the various stages of registration with the Egyptian Drug Authority, EDA. Market leadership and excellence will remain the milestone for BP Pharma Group. Its history testifies its distinguished achievements, such as Celebrolizin Ever Austria, which is successfully registered and introduced to the Egyptian market from 1995 till 2020, on top of the market accredited by IMS.
One day, Dr. Isam received a call from the commercial counselor of the Austrian embassy, who highly recommended BP Pharma to the company to introduce Eva Pharma's products. Dr. Isam Dimitri's work experience extends over 55 years now, registering, promoting, and successfully introducing their portfolios into the Egyptian market, witnessing how this molecule saved many lives. And for that, he believed that the relationship with Celebrolizin is and will remain eternal.
Well, my name is George Kawari. I'm General Manager of Ever Pharma, and I'm truly honored to be in this setting with this, highly selective group of physicians and neurologists, neurosurgeons, psychiatrists. It's a great honor for me to be here amongst you. But also I'm truly honored to be on this stage with the Dimitrios family. The family Dimitrios means a lot to me, and Mr. Dimitrios, Isam Dimitrios, was the first business partner that I've dealt with in my career. And I think he is like a father, he has been like a father figure to me, and I've learned a lot from him. And I'm honored to be standing here on the stage with his family. I would have loved to see him in person today, but I'm sure he's with us in his spirit, and he will be with us the next time when I'm here, and we will honor him also in person. So, on my behalf, on behalf of Ever Pharma, we would like to honor him for 25 years of intense, extensive cooperation, lots of ups and downs, and this man has always came on top, has always thought about the humanity of what he was doing. I loved the quotation of Dr. Tamawi when he said that what differentiates Dr. Dimitrios is Dr. Dimitrios is not a transactional person. Transactional means you give me and I give you. This man is somebody who you deal with and you have a commitment, a bond that lasts forever. And in that honor, I am truly honored to provide or to give you the commemoration, a small token for the cooperation, and looking forward to continuing that cooperation in the future. Mariam, you are like a mother to me, and I'm honored to present you with this small token. Thank you very much.
Accordingly, Ever Austria has honored BP Pharma Group with many certificates of achievement and excellence over several years, expressing congratulations for the best performance regarding Celebrolizin in the Egyptian market, which occupies one of the first 5 prime markets all over the whole world. For porcine brain hydrolysate business, Celebrolizin, responding to Ever Austria's request, BP Pharma has continued porting Celebrolizin since 2020 till to date, with all the required services of the scientific office and logistical services with sincerity and dedication. BP Pharma Group assures its long-term eternal relationship with porcine brain hydrolysate. The priority in the long-term eternal relationship is preferred to be with our esteemed partner, Ever Pharma. Success partners extending over 28 years, from 1995 to 2023. It is worth to mention that BP Pharma, through God's blessings and professional marketing team, has achieved the market leader rank by IMS certification for methotrexate injection produced by EBV Austria, as well as EU Carbon, F-Trenca Austria, which by the end of cooperation by F-Trenca and BP Pharma Group, BP Pharma has succeeded to get approval of EDA for registration of 2 preparations with the same formula as EU Carbon, which will be offered to the local market in the coming period. to satisfy BP Pharma Group interests in having this formula in our private portfolio permanently. BP Pharma Group believes that honesty, sincerity, and professional experience among partners are the real infrastructure and keys to the continuity of not only success, but also remarkable growth for the cooperating parties.
I am so happy to commemorate 25 years of partnership with the esteemed Ever Pharma, headed by Dr. Hillebrand, and BP Pharma, headed by Dr. Isam Demetrius. I would like to wish both Dr. Hillebrand and Dr. Isam a very speedy recovery.
In addition to the diversification of the aforementioned investments, BP Pharma Group targeting to consolidate and build safe economic situation of the group, BP Pharma Group has acquired significant gold alloy reserve to rescue the economy of the group from devaluation risks. BP Pharma Group extends its high appreciation to esteemed Ever Pharma Austria, our success story partners, with sincere heartly wishes for the continuation of fruitful sounding cooperation for successive decades for the benefit and mutual interests of esteemed Ever Pharma and BP Pharma Group.
Being General Manager of BP Pharma Group, my primary role is to oversee all operations and business activities, ensuring they align with the company's overall objectives and strategies. My responsibilities range from setting business goals, developing and executing strategic plans, to managing personnel. My ultimate aim is to guide the company towards profitability and success while adhering to its core values. I wish you all best of luck, good health, and success.
Last but not least, the vision of BP Pharma Group focuses on the following. 1. Cooperation and collaboration between BP Pharma Group and reliable, reputable partners in the pharmaceutical field. Globally speaking, to get CTD and eCTD registration dossiers. In addition to tech transfer, which BP Pharma Group has already acquired one important tech transfer for one of the most interesting and promising pharmaceutical products with high quality. 2. Cooperation with international reliable centers regarding the R&D activities, hiring high-caliber local and foreigner candidates in the field of pharmaceutical research and production. 3. Targeting the pharmaceutical Egyptian market, in addition to penetration to other markets globally, utilizing our vast pharmaceutical experience and blessed financial capabilities. Let us cooperate and look forward for a very intimate, fruitful mutual plans in the mutual interest of both esteemed Ever Pharma and BP Pharma Group.